Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Ace Jacobo teaching you a little bit about the keyboard. The keyboard, what is a keyboard? What does it do? Basically the keyboard is just a computer that produces sound. And those sounds are according to each one of these keys. Right now at this moment the keyboard is not on. But once I turn it on, all these keys are going to make a different sound. And so we're going to learn the names for these keys so you can, whenever you have a keyboard in front of you, you can look at it and recognize what keys you're going to be playing. Basically, my rule is you press one key and you don't press the next one. And that's about it. Sometimes you will be pressing two like this, but that's more advanced. So in the meantime, you're gonna be playing one and not the other, and play the next one. So the third one you play, and don't play the fourth, play the fifth, and that's basically it. When you play, just press one, don't press the next one, press the third one, and don't press the fourth, but press the fifth. And so the same way over here, press this one and not the next, but the third, and then so and so. So that's my rule. This is the position you're supposed to be playing for a F, the chord of F. In Spanish is Fa. So this is the position for Fa, for F, and this is F also. So F here, and F over there. And every time you see 3, that's where F is right behind it. So F, F. The notes are F and A and D. Okay? F, A, D. F, A, and D. And that's it. When you learn how to play this, then you turn it on. Wait, I didn't turn it on. Hold on. Okay, so now we turn it on. And we're going to be listening to each of the notes. So F, A, C. F, A, C. And if you learn this trick, you can play almost all the chords like this. And all I'm doing is just pressing one and not the other, but skipping one key. Try this first class for the first time and let me know about next time how you feel. Now you can do this, play this way and then that way. Again, one way this way, and then that way. And then faster. When you play it, you hold the key. Don't play it like this. Play holding each of the keys. Here now, it sounds beautiful. And you hold the notes. Okay, this is your first exercise. So thank you for watching.